Hello wonderful children, how are you all? Welcome back to your English class. Children, today is Wednesday, July 29, 2020. And children, today we are going to discuss the last exercise that are question and answers of the chapter Who Robbed the Restaurant, that is lesson number 3 of your English text. Now children, in the previous video we have completed the book exercises of the same chapter, in which we have discussed about the collective nouns also, about some professions also, and spellings. Fine children? Now today we will discuss the question and answers of the chapter. And children, what will be the assignment for today? The assignment for today will be you have to complete the question and answers in your notebook. So let's start it. I request you all that you all can open your books, page number 22, and you can please take a pencil in your hand. If you want, you can keep a rough notebook nearby to you. Okay, so if you will find something important, you can at the same point you can write it down, so it will not be necessary for you to again and again watch the video. Okay children, now see page number 22, question 1 we have already done. Now question 2, answer in a few lines. Okay, in a few lines means you have to answer these questions in short, to the point. Okay children, you don't have to exaggerate it. Now question A, why did Preeti's parents want to look for help to run their restaurant? Okay, so what will be the answer? See, Preeti's parents wanted to look for help to run their restaurant so that they can find some time for themselves. Okay, so that they can have some time for themselves. Okay children, see, because they were spending so much of time to just look after the restaurant. They don't have time for themselves. Okay, that's why they need a help. So what will be the answer, to the point answer? Preeti's parents wanted to look for help to run their restaurant so that they can have some time for themselves. Okay, now why did Preeti dislike the manager? Now in short children, if you want to write, Preeti disliked the manager because the manager was not friendly with the customers and with the staff. He was not friendly with anyone. Okay children, and if you want to write in detail, so you can find it in the chapter, page number 20. If you can open page number 20, see the second paragraph, third line. Preeti did not like the manager. There was something about the way he looked over his shoulder all the time as if he was up to something. He was not even friendly with the staff. Okay, if you can write that much, that is also perfect. If you just write the manager was not friendly with the staff, that is also okay. Now next question, C. Why did Preeti want to go with her parents to the restaurant? We all know that Preeti did not have any trust towards the manager. Okay, that's why she wanted to go. So how you will frame the perfect answer? Preeti wanted to go with her parents to the restaurant because she did not trust the manager. She did not trust the manager. Isn't it very simple children? Now the next question, that is D. Describe the thief as narrated by the manager. This answer children, you have to write it down from the chapter. Okay, as it is. The description you have to write. So, open page number 21. At page number 21, you can see third paragraph. Okay, children. Third paragraph, second line, he. It's written he. Okay. But we cannot use the proverb here. We can write the proper noun. Okay. The thief. The thief was young and tall with long hair and no moustache. He wore dirty jeans, a black belt with a silver buckle and a black t-shirt with a picture of an eagle printed on the back. So this is the whole description as it is. It's given in the chapter and you have to copy it down. This is the answer. Now children, the next question given on page number 23. How did Preeti realize that the manager was lying? Okay. Now, to the point answer is not given in the chapter. Okay. You have to frame it. So, how we will write? Preeti realized that the manager was lying when the manager said he was standing at the backside. Okay. He was standing moving towards the wall. On the other hand, he described the thief very fluently. So, if he was standing at the time of robbery, moving towards the wall, how he had seen the robber? It wasn't possible, no? So, that's why Preeti realized that the manager was lying. Okay. So, how you can write it? Preeti realized that the manager was lying because one hand he was saying that he was moved backward towards the wall. On the other hand, he described the thief very nicely. So, the two things were not matching with each other. Now, F. Describe Preeti in 2 words. Now, you have to describe Preeti in 2 words, 2 adjectives. Fine? So, I think Preeti was very smart, intelligent and clever. Okay? Just because of his smartness and cleverness. Yes, he found that the manager was the actual thief. So any 2 words. Okay? You can write 2 words from your choice also. So Preeti was a very smart and intelligent girl. Now describe Preeti's father in 2 words. Now, one adjective that is the most suitable one is kind. Preeti's father was kind. After that much, of drama, he did not call the police. So he was kind and understanding. He was kind and understanding. We can also say hardworking because initially he was, running the whole hotel without the manager. So any 2 adjectives you can take for Preeti's father also. So that's it children. How many questions we have discussed? A to G. We have discussed 7 questions. Okay. Now it is not necessary that you have to write what I have said. Okay. In the form of answers in this video. You have understood the whole chapter. So better you can write the answers in your own words. So children, that is your assignment also. You have to complete the question answers in your notebook very nicely. If you want, once you can write it in your rough notebook and then pen down in your fair notebook. So that's it for today children. We'll meet again in the next video. We will start a new chapter. Yes, Niangra, the snake, a healer. Okay, it's a beautiful chapter. So till then, take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Bye.